I'm just going to give another quick follow-up demo for motion, and this time I'm going to add a rotation, which again can be really good for adding a sense of unease. Now I'm just going to come back into this same clip and I'm going to delete these current keyframes. I'm just going to click on them and hit delete on the keyboard. So we're back to normal. I've reset all of these values. So this time we're going to try and add a rotation. Now the thing with a rotation is if we rotate from 100% scale, or as the clip is first presented to us, we're going to see the kind of the behind the clip, which is going to betray the effect of tricking the audience that we're after. So I'm just going to undo that. The way to get around that is to scale the clip in a little bit to begin with. Now we don't want to scale too far because we'll lose resolution, but without any keyframes this time, I'm just going to scale my clip in a little bit, so the whole clip is always that little bit scaled in. Now I'm going to come to rotation, and just as before with the playhead at the very beginning, in fact no, let's start the rotation a few frames in. I'm going to hit the toggle animation. I'm going to move the clip towards the end because I want this animation to carry on all the way through, and now I'm going to add my rotation, and I'm just going to rotate it enough so that we don't lose, we don't see the edge of the screen, so about there. And what this should now give me is just a slight, if we watch the clip, slight uneasy turn. Now I'm just going to show how you can actually stack up animations, because we've already got a keyframe here because we've scaled in. So again, I'm going to push it right to the edge. This time, the value I'm going to change is the scale. I'm going to scale it in even further. And now we should get both a slow push in and a rotation of the camera. So let's just pop this window full screen and have a watch. So hopefully you agree that that has ever so slightly changed that clip and given it a little bit more value.